All right, now that you've signed into your blog for the first time and you've joined our class blog, if Ms. Nielsen has had a chance to check your name off the board, it means she's approved you. So you should see now this, it says view class blog instead of something like join class. That means you're good, you're on our class blog. We're going to do a couple of things to personalize your blog a little bit. First thing is title my blog or whatever it's at as default is not a good thing because I don't need to have 27 blogs that say my blog. Things will get confusing. So you're going to click on that, my blog, and you're going to replace it with your name, apostrophe S, portfolio. Check how I spelled that. Make sure you got it because it looks silly on my blog if it's spelled wrong. Emily's portfolio. You could change your tagline to something like, welcome to my portfolio. We can change this later, but just change it to something like that. Go down to the bottom, click Save Changes. Now up here, instead of saying my blog or something like that, it says Emily's portfolio, and that's exactly what we want to see. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to change the privacy settings. If you got that login thing when you just tried to visit your blog, we don't want that because we don't want people to have to log in every time they want to see your blog. That means outside people or your parents can't see them. So go back to your main dashboard, click on privacy. If it says only logged in users are able to view this blog, then we want to change that. So click on that. Change it from being this button to being this button. So change it to the top one, click Save Changes, and you're good. Settings saved. Now I know I can get out of here. Let's go back to my main dashboard. The last thing we're going to do is switch the theme. Now, right now it's on Dignity for this one, and that's what we actually want it on. So if yours is on something, anything other than Dignity right now, we need to change that. So I'm going to click on Dignity. Down here you'll see a million different themes, and I'm sure that we'll get to explore some of these later, but for right now when we're setting them up, it's important that all the students have the same theme going. So if you don't have Dignity, you're going to need to find it. So it'll be down here. We can also click in here, search up Dignity, click search installed. All you have to do once you find Dignity is click activate. So once you've got Dignity activated and it says it's got it here, then you're ready. If you want to take your personalization a teeny bit further, you can click on header, I believe, and we can change this photo. Now, you want to make sure that you're using photos that you're allowed to be using. So no free Google search for whatever picture you want. We have to use pictures that have been Creative Commons, that have Creative Commons licensing. So I'll show you how to do that.